Look at these channels: software tutorial creators, SaaS companies, course creators. They're all using product demo videos to educate, convert, and scale. But here's the problem. Recording your screen is easy. Making people actually watch it is hard. Professional voiceover and editing costs hundreds of dollars and takes days. Until now. Golpo AI's screen recording feature solves all of this. Upload any screen recording, and AI generates professional narration automatically. Today I will show you exactly how it works. Let's dive in. Head over to video.golpoai.com. Just sign up with your email. This is where the magic happens. Today we're focusing on the screen recording feature. This is the game changer for product demos and tutorials. First, upload your video file. Click on User-Created Videos and Images to be inserted in the video option. This is your raw screen recording. I've recorded a Canva design session, completely silent, no editing, just raw footage. The file format can be MP4, MOV, or most common video formats. Make sure AI audio is selected. This tells Golpo AI to generate intelligent narration. Next, the video topic field. Tell the AI what your screen recording is about. I'm writing a step-by-step Canva tutorial showing how to create a professional Instagram post for a sale promotion, including template selection, text customization, and adding graphics. The more context you provide, the better the AI understands your recording and generates relevant narration. Now, voice instructions. This field is optional, but it gives you incredible control over how the AI narrates your screen recording. I'm typing, use a friendly, encouraging tone like a design instructor teaching a beginner. Explain each Canva feature as it appears on screen. Visual instructions come next. Even though you're uploading a screen recording, Golpo AI can enhance it with whiteboard-style elements, annotations, callouts, and visual emphasis. I'll write, add subtle whiteboard-style annotations to highlight important Canva buttons and tools. Check the box for Edit Script before creating video. This lets you review the AI-generated script. Also select your preferred color scheme. Now the Settings panel. Select Engaging for the music style. Choose video length. I'm selecting 1-minute video. Voice gender. I am choosing a female voice. For orientation, I am going with horizontal orientation. Multiple languages supported. Create tutorials for global audiences. Select English. For animation style, I'm choosing Classic. Describe your video topic as a step-by-step Canva tutorial. Now click Generate Script. Golpo AI's artificial intelligence is now watching your screen recording frame by frame. It understands the design workflow. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. And here's the beautiful part. The AI generates a complete narration script that you can review and edit before creating the final video. You have full control. The script looks perfect for my needs, so I'm clicking Generate Video from Script. This process takes another 2 to 5 minutes. The AI is now syncing the narration with your screen recording. And here's the result.
Let's build a classic Instagram sale post right now, step by step. We're going to take a basic template and customize it to announce a 50% off sale. Watch how quickly this comes together. Okay, starting on the Canva homepage, we'll head straight to the social media category. From here, select Instagram, and we're choosing the Instagram post. Now we're in the editor. On the left, you have a huge library of templates. We're looking for something clean and minimalist. This green luxury template with a t-shirt is perfect. Once the template is applied, you can see all the individual elements are editable. We'll go to the Text tab on the left, click Add a text box, and this new box appears. Let's type in Sale 50%. So let's add a graphic element. In the Elements tab, we'll search for Sale. There are tons of options here: stickers, labels, icons. Let's try this jagged red sticker. We'll place it on the shirt, and we're done. The design is ready. To get the final image, we'll click the Share button in the top right, then select Download. For Instagram, JPEG is a great file format, so we'll switch it from the default PNG, and then just hit the Download button. Once it's ready, we can open the file from our Downloads folder to see the finished product.
What you just saw wasn't just a series of clicks. It was a demonstration of core design principles. What once took hours in complex software can now be done in minutes, giving you more time to focus on what really matters, running your business.
Notice how the video blends my actual Canva screen recording with whiteboard animation. During the main demonstration, you see my real Canva interface. This gives you the power to mix AI-generated content with your own real-world footage, all within one clear, cohesive story. Now let me show you Own Narration feature. Instead of AI generating the narration, you provide the audio, and Golpo AI generates a professional video that matches your narration perfectly. I'm toggling on Own Narration at the top right. Watch what happens. The interface changes completely. Option 1. Upload audio or video. Audio will be extracted. If you've already recorded your narration, you can upload it here. Option 2. Record audio. You can record your narration directly in Golpo AI. For this demo, I've pre-recorded my own narration explaining the Canva design process. Let me play a quick clip so you can hear my voice first. Welcome to this Canva design tutorial. Today, we'll create an Instagram post. Select Social Media. I'm uploading the audio file now. Check the color box to enable color in the generated video. Now the settings. Music. Select engaging style. Notice duration and voice are disabled. This doesn't apply since I'm using my own voice. Orientation. Horizontal. Language. English. Style. Classic. Now I'll click Generate Video. And here's the result with my own narration. Welcome to this Canva design tutorial. Today we'll create an Instagram post. Select Social Media. Now click on Instagram. Select Instagram Post to ensure your design has the perfect dimensions. Browse through Canva's template library and click on this summer-themed t-shirt. Now click on Zoom In and select the text and change it to 2026. Listen to the difference. This is my voice explaining the Canva tutorial. The AI perfectly synced my narration with the screen recording actions. This gives you complete control over your brand voice, pacing, and messaging while still getting professional video production quality. AI-generated narration or own narration. The best part? You can use both methods depending on your content needs. And here's a feature I should mention. You don't even need a screen recording to create videos. You can simply write a text prompt, like, create an explainer video about why the sky is blue, and see the magic.
Sunlight isn't white. It's a whole rainbow hitting our atmosphere. Tiny air molecules grab the short blue light waves.
Golpo AI generates the entire video from scratch, including visuals, animation, and voiceover. Pricing is incredibly affordable when you consider what you're getting. Screen recording feature is available only on Business and above. Head to Golpo AI right now, the link in the description. Upload your first screen recording and watch as AI transforms it into a professional video in minutes. Smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns. Until next time, happy creating.